A lot of the Roku players look the same, but I'm going to show you how to pick the right one and what do these little things in here mean and what makes some of them special. Don't make the mistake of buying the wrong one because I already did it and I had to go back and get a different one. All right, let's get started. There's 5 Roku streamers, but there's 3 streaming sticks that look the same. Let's compare them. The Roku Streaming Stick HD, you can tell by the pink HD on the top right. There's a Streaming Stick Plus, you can tell by the 4K on the top right. And there's a Streaming Stick 4K, which is the wider box. What is the difference between HDR, high definition, and 4K? Now you have HDR and HDR10, those come together with the 4K. Here's a digital video shot in high definition and 4K. Let's split the screen and see the difference. For regular programming, high definition is okay, but for sports, you will lose the detail of helmets, balls, and fast-moving objects. You need to have 4K on your television in order to utilize those features. I will show you with check marks what each one of the players brings, but the last option is Dolby Vision. So what is it? When a director creates a show or a movie, instructions are provided as to the depth of the color and the feel of the scene. Dolby Vision takes this information and matches it on your television to get the intended experience. Now, if I'm helping you out, please hit the like button. I'm not getting paid anything for Roku, and if you want to support the channel, please hit the subscribe. Links to all of the streaming players are in the description. Now, the lasting offer for the streaming players is long-range Wi-Fi. This is very important if you're putting your Roku stick outside or if it's going to be far away from your Wi-Fi router like the basement. When I bought my third Roku unit, I would lose signal, so I had to exchange it for one that had the long-range Wi-Fi. So which one's right for you? All of them have high definition. If this is for a teenager or you're taking this to college, the Streaming Stick HD is perfect for you. If you have a 4K television, then you definitely want to get the Streaming Stick Plus or the Streaming Stick 4K. Now, if watching movies and TV, it's your hobby and your thing, you definitely want to get the Streaming Stick 4K because you get the Dolby Vision and you also get the long-range Wi-Fi. The advantage of the Streaming Stick is that it's just very simple to put on your television and you can put it anywhere. Now, if you have an entertainment system, there are other Roku devices you can get. It's going to be more money, but you have the Roku Ultra, which is a base that you have to place somewhere within your entertainment system. You also have the Stream Bar SE, which is basically a sound bar and your streamer. They all have long-range Wi-Fi. Now, there's one last thing that we need to go over, and that's the remote. The remote has a nice feature that is basically it's voice control, but you can connect via Bluetooth to the remote and you can listen to the program or your movie with your headset while somebody's sleeping in the room. Now, that feature comes with all the devices except the 4K stick that has all of the nice features. Leave it to Roku to have you buy an extra remote so they can make a little bit more money. I show you how to use Roku. There's a link in the bottom for that. If you want to find out how Roku compares to satellite and cable, there's a link in the video in the bottom. Also, the Roku channel lineup, there's a link in the bottom as well. Thank you for your support and link to all the products in the description.